Special Appreciation Award for Achievement in Services to the Railways. And it goes to Devharsh Infotech Private Limited.
Messrs. Devharsh Infotech Private Limited, DIPL, a well-established group with 33 years of experience, is a leading player in security printing activities. DIPL operates from state-of-the-art facility in Maharashtra, equipped with modern printing technology and a comprehensive post-press section. They adhere to IBA norms, ensuring the security of documents and databases. Their vision emphasizes quality consciousness, while their mission focuses on achieving market supremacy. DIPL's journey includes milestones like obtaining a security printing license, producing ATM rolls, and venturing into commercial printing and security software.